In today's video, I'm going to show you how to organize your research in Obsidian, a powerful knowledge management tool that's perfect for students, writers, and anyone who wants to keep their thoughts and information neatly structured. Obsidian lets you build a second brain, linking ideas together in a way that really helps you understand complex topics and generate new insights. If you're looking for a way to ditch messy notebooks and scattered notes and build a truly interconnected research system, then stick with me and I'll show you everything you need to know about organizing your research in Obsidian. If you find this helpful, please like and subscribe, and let's get started. Okay, let's dive right in. Step 1. Open your vault. Launch Obsidian from your desktop or wherever you've installed it, and then open your research vault. This is the folder where Obsidian stores all of your notes. Make sure you're working within the correct vault. It's crucial that you isolate your research content for optimal organization. Don't worry, Obsidian is pretty intuitive and you can always create a new vault if you haven't already. Next up, step 2, create a research folder. Within your Obsidian vault, create a new folder called Research. This will be the top-level container for all your research notes and materials. Keeping everything organized within a dedicated folder makes it far easier to find what you need and prevents your notes from getting mixed up with other projects. Think of it as your research command center, a central place to house everything. Now let's move on to step 3, create research categories. Inside the research folder, you're going to add subfolders based on your topics or projects. For example, if you're researching artificial intelligence, you might create a folder called AI. If you have multiple projects, create a separate folder for each one. Perhaps one for marketing research and another for educational technology. The key here is to structure your research logically, making it easier to browse and find specific information. A little upfront organization will pay off massively in the long run. Alright, step 4, create a research dashboard. Inside your research folder, create a new note called Research Dashboard. This note will serve as your central navigation hub. Use it to link to all of your topic notes, create a visual overview of your research projects, and potentially add helpful links to external resources. Think of it as a roadmap for your research, guiding you through the information you're collecting. Let's continue with step 5, create topic notes. Now create a separate note for each research topic you're exploring. For example, if you're researching blockchain technology, you'll create a note titled Blockchain Technology. Within each note, you'll record your findings, source information, and add any relevant links. Consistency in naming your notes is beneficial. It makes searching much simpler. Moving forward, step 6, record sources. Within your topic notes, meticulously document all your sources, books, articles, videos, websites, and more. Don't just copy and paste content. Always record the full citation details. This is incredibly important for academic integrity and allows you to easily revisit the original source if needed. A properly formatted bibliography is a cornerstone of good research. Now, step 7, capture key findings. As you read and analyze your sources, summarize the important insights in your own words within your topic notes. This critical step helps you consolidate your understanding and identify key trends. Don't just passively record information. Actively engage with the material and synthesize it into your own thoughts. Let's continue with step 8. Use headings. Within your topic notes, organize information into logical sections using headings and subheadings. This dramatically improves readability and allows you to quickly scan and find the information you're looking for. Think of it like a well-structured essay. Clear headings guide the reader through your arguments. Next, step 9. Link-related research. Obsidian truly shines when you start connecting your notes. Use internal links to connect your topic notes. If one concept relates to another, link them together. This creates a web of interconnected knowledge that will significantly enhance your understanding. Obsidian's linking functionality makes this incredibly easy, just drag and drop. Now it's step 10, add tags. Obsidian offers a powerful tagging system. Add tags to your notes to categorize them further. Examples include hash research, hash technology, hash marketing, and hash education. Tags help you quickly filter and retrieve notes based on specific criteria. Experiment with different tags to find a system that works best for you. Let's move on to step 11, create summary notes. Build overview notes that combine information from multiple sources. These summary notes act as concise syntheses of your research and provide a high-level perspective. This is a great way to consolidate your findings and identify key themes. Okay, step 12, store reference material. Attach PDFs, images, or supporting documents directly to your notes when needed. Obsidian's ability to embed files seamlessly enhances your research workflow. This means keeping all your relevant materials in one place, perfectly integrated with your notes. Continuing on, step 13, review and refine notes. Regularly review and refine your notes, removing any duplicate information and improving clarity. A clean and well-organized research system is essential for efficient research. Don't be afraid to reorganize, edit, and streamline your notes. It's an ongoing process. Now, step 14, update the dashboard. Add links to active research projects and key resources to your research dashboard. Keep your dashboard up to date with the latest information and links. This ensures you always have a clear overview of your research activities. Finally, step 15, final result. You've now created a structured research system that makes capturing, connecting, and retrieving information incredibly easy. This system provides a solid foundation for your research projects, saving you time and frustration. So to recap, you've learned how to organize your research in Obsidian by creating a central vault, adding a research folder, structuring your notes with categories and headings, linking related research, and using tags. This combination of tools creates a dynamic knowledge base that's perfect for any complex research project. Remember the benefit: you'll be able to quickly access and synthesize information, leading to deeper insights. To help you further, I recommend revisiting these steps whenever you need to update or refine your research system. Don't forget to save this video for later reference. It's a valuable tool for any researcher or student. Thanks for watching.